Castro Cape, my favorite. Good morning world, good afternoon, good evening, depending where you are watching this video from. It's 9 o'clock GMT, East African Standard Time, and this is East Africa, this is Africa, the Masai Mara National Reserve. So in this video, I'm just doing a morning walk, just a short morning walk around this camp. This is where I work. This is my working area. This is my workplace. So guys, 2024 has been nice so far. Nothing bad happened so far. I've been away from this jungle for a little while, for a week. Now I'm back around here, and I hope as the time rolls, everything will be nice. More videos will be coming. Oh, look, this is a river. This is River Olare Orok. Actually, this camp is surrounded by a river. This river is like the fence. The river goes around in a circle, and so it also acts like a barricade or a barrier from wild animals jumping into the camp. We are right in the park, in the National Reserve, and so if you cross this river over to the other side, you will be able to see some wild animals, really, like you'll be able to see the buffaloes, the elephants, even the lions. And I mean, this is the territory. This is where those wild animals live in their natural habitat. So even this morning walk, I might even be able to spot some harmless ones like Thompson gazelles, the warthogs, the waterbuck, and it's a bit chilly. It's been raining lots for a couple of days, and so the earth is a bit wet. You see, I put on my gumboots. The sun is not yet up. It's just quite muddy. You can see I'm putting on gumboots. The ground is so wet. The sun is not yet up, so it's a bit dull weather, not very pleasant. I mean, for me, some people love it this way, but then nobody hates the sun. If the sun is up, it would be so beautiful. Yeah, so let's walk and see the jungle. See the trees. So these are indigenous trees. Nobody planted these trees, you know. These are indigenous trees. I can see some footprints, animal prints. These are like a hippo walks by here. You know, they live in the water, but at night they have their specific paths where they cross by to go eat grass. I mean, this massive animal eats like tons of grass, you know, to sustain that big body. And let's see this jungle. Just doing a morning walk around the camp, Toast campsite. So for folks who love to do safaris and come to do game drives, these are the spots where you can mount your tent, come with your camping gear, mount your tents over here. This is River Olare Rock. which is in Maasai language means black salt. It's been raining lots and the volume of this river has increased by a lot. River Olare Orok. Yeah, so it's the morning walk right in the jungle. I'm camouflaging because this is green. This is also green. Is this green really? Am I colorblind? Is it olive green? But it is green. I don't want to sound daft on camera. But I love green, you know. I love anything green, you know. The greenery here is amazing. So we are going to see the hippos. And before I end the morning walk, let's go see the hippos. You know, the volume of water has risen by a lot, so maybe the hippos have moved, or they are somewhere here. Let's see. Here are those beautiful birds. The sound of the beautiful birds. I think nature is something that should be protected at all costs. I mean, like, even in the oceans, the lakes, people should make sure these spaces are clean. Like, I don't like the fact that some people throw like non-biodegradable stuff like plastic all over the place. We should make sure the nature is clean. Like this place is very, very clean, because then the leaves fall, the branches fall, and then they decompose, they make part of the soil, and it's just like a circle. But you know, if you throw things like like plastic, they take millions of years to decompose, and it's not good.
checking, yeah, I get it out the streets. Hustle like I'm starving, going hard, I gotta eat. I get it out the mud. Yeah, yeah. I get it out the mud. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, watch out, break my wrist. Make that water whip. Stretch it.
Okay, so I'm going to stop the walk right here, and the wanderer is planning to do another video later on by lunchtime. The wanderer is going to make a special meal, so he's going to make a dish, you know, in the outside kitchen in the wood fire, and I'm going to show you that video. And make sure you watch to the end. And if you're new to the channel, please subscribe, like, share, support the wanderer, join the adventure, and I see you later. Hasta luego, my friends. Till next time.